Stroll is costing Aston Martin big time in their quest to become champions in Formula 1. Well, we all kind of saw this coming from a mile away. But I feel like we finally reached the point where it's quite obvious that Lance is costing the team big time since last season. Without a doubt, Lance Stroll costed Aston Martin P4 in the Constructors' Championship in 2023. I mean, they were just 23 points shy of McLaren, who ended up claiming the P4 spot at the end of the season in 2023. Their finishing position from last year definitely taints the incredible start that they had to the season. I mean, they set the example for the rest of the pack to improve as the season unfolded. So their finishing position from last year definitely makes their performance look weaker than what it was when you look at it from the paper. Agree that Aston Martin did not have the pace towards the end of the season like they did at the start, but still, when the car was good to finish in the top 5 positions consistently, Lance Stroll failed to make the best out of it, compromising on the team's overall result towards the end of the season. With this lackluster performance from last season getting trickled into this season as well, it's not setting a good image for Aston Martin as a team. In Japan, Aston Martin though did not have the pace to fight for the podium positions, they definitely had the pace to finish in the points with both the cars, but still Alonso was the only driver to make the best out of it, and Lance struggled to even pull the car into the points, making it another absurd performance from him. These poor performances and Aston Martin constantly defending Lance Stroll in front of the media is a problem, as it makes it hard for anyone to take the team and its ambitions seriously despite all the investments and the upgrades done to the team's facility. I'm sure that Aston Martin could build a car that can fight for race wins and titles in the future, but I feel like as long as Stroll stays put in the team, they'll only be able to contest for the driver's title and not the constructors. Don't get me wrong, Stroll is not a bad driver, that's not what I'm trying to say, but I feel like Aston is no more the team that fits him. I feel like Aston Martin as a team has outgrown the driver that is bottlenecking the team's progress towards the top spot. I feel like someone else could make a better use of that seat than what Lance is doing right now. Either he has to step up or he has to step aside, as it's painful to watch a seat like that getting wasted in a sport where there's a pool of talents with a lack of seats. For a team to improve and to build a better car, you need 2 drivers who can provide you with valuable feedback to improve the car's overall pace. And it doesn't have to be technical all the time, but it's important for you to have a good read of the car and to know where the improvements are needed to make the car faster. And if you wish to be the fastest team in Formula 1, you need 2 drivers who can actively contribute to make the team faster by being able to maximize on their current package. For Aston Martin to grow as a team, it right now needs a new driver replacing Lance Stroll for them to become a stronger team in their race for the Constructors' crown. I mean, let's be honest, anyone in Lance's seat with that kind of performance will be crucified in Formula 1. But Lance is getting away with it just because his dad owns the team, and that's a problem. Formula 1 is a cutthroat business, and I wonder how long the team can bear this loss, knowing that they could be better and they are the ones who are stopping themselves from doing that. I can't believe for a second that Aston Martin was as bad at the Japanese Grand Prix as what Lance Stroll made it out to be. And his crash at the Jeddah Grand Prix, man, I just can't get past that. Knowing that he made the mistake of brushing against the wall, ending his race early, when there was a literal rookie who was younger than him and has no experience in Formula 1, with less preparation time and practice for the weekend, ended up delivering a better and a cleaner race weekend. I really hope Lance Stroll can step up his performance at the Chinese Grand Prix, but if this poor run of form continues from him, I feel like he has to make way for someone else to take over that seat. Because if Aston Martin actually considers themselves serious about their pursuit towards the constructors and the driver's crown, then they would have to make the right calls to make the team stronger from all aspects. So yes guys, that's my thoughts and take on Lance Stroll's performance at Aston Martin, and I really feel like Aston Martin's much needed upgrade right now is a new driver to replace Lance Stroll. So yes guys, with that being said, I would like to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and let me know down in the comments on what are your thoughts on it as well. I'm curious to know. With that being said, subscribe to the Red Master channel if you haven't already, and also hit that bell icon while you're at it so you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And until next time, it's me Vinesh from Red Master, and I'm out. Love you guys, stay safe, peace.